we are back, and I am in the new canoe this morning. In my last video, I mentioned that I was going to try to sell it. Things happened, things changed. I'm hanging on to it for now. So we're on the water, and it's running so much better now that I got the belt for it. Oh my gosh, it is night and day difference. Today, redfish. Had not hooked up to one in a minute. That's what I'm looking for. I'll be throwing new lures I got. They were gifted to me from a guy that I met at a tackle shop. They're custom painted by him. I'm going to be trying them out today. Hopefully we hook up on some fish, but if they're hitting something else, that's what I'm going to be throwing, because I am itching to get hooked up with a good fish today. So let's go after it. Oh, what is this? Alright. Something's on it. Lizard. Alright, well, the lizards like the custom painted lures. Well, that made it easy. Come here, dude. Nasty little sucker. Damn it, that was a red. That was a red. Come on, man. He was all over it. All over it. Then he saw me. He wanted it so bad, but then he came up and saw me. What we got? Trout? Ah, trout. Hey, bud. I'll take that. No, he's not a bad trout either. Nope. Stay. There we go. Of course I say, hey, I want redfish, but then I get a trout. That's just classic. It's standard. All right. First good fish of the morning. Look at him. He popped that purple jerkbait. It is so cool looking, and he loved it. Nice. He's been eating. He's a little chunky. Get him unhooked. Cool. All right. Little guy. But to start. Thanks, man. There he goes. Sweet. Bet there's more. But there's an entire school right here. Oh. Yep, there's another trout right there. Oh, he wanted it. Oh, that is a little tiny red. He's like 8 inches. Oh, alright, what is this? Are you... What? That's a croaker. Dude, what were you thinking, man? I was not expecting that today. That's a croaker. He ate this big old thing. Well, compared to him. Alright. They like this purple guy. Pretty good. Like, I've caught quite a few fish on this alone today, so I'm going to switch it up. It's going to be the same lure, just a different color. I'm going to try them both out here. Yeah. Let's try that out. Why not? Right here. Oh gosh. This red turned on it, but when he turned around, he saw me, and he was like, nope. Are you serious? Dude. I'm so sick of these things. You are entirely too small to be eating this. Oh, shit. He was chasing it. Dude, I just need you to eat it. Just eat it. Let's see, bud. No, why are you going that way? No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. Dude, no, wrong. Bad time, terrible time, terrible time, terrible time. Get off. There's a red right here. I need you to hit it. Oh, dude, it was on top of you, man. No, dude, why didn't you eat it? Okay, I need to make a change, man, because like they're coming up to investigate it, and as soon as they see it, they're like, nah. No, dude, what, why? Why not? That was you all day, man. There we go. Oh, did he come off? He came off. You suck. Oh my gosh. He ate it. There we go. Oh, God. Oh, is this a trout? No, this is a red. This is a red. This is a red. There we go. Here we go. Oh, that color change. I just need to switch back to the purple and pink. That's what this guy wanted right here. Come on, come on. In the net. Yep. Perfect. Got him. That's what I wanted today. Oh, that's such a good feeling. I was sitting down too when he hit. He hit like right by the boat, man. Nothing huge, but I'm happy. That is the fish I wanted to get today. It's been a minute since I got into some reds. Let's get him unhooked. Get him back in the water. Get a good release on him. Yeah, look at that. Came right up. Perfect. Perfect red. Nice. All right, let's get him in the water. And he's off. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. My GoPro ended up dying at the very last minute of the day, so I wasn't able to do an outro, but I still want to go ahead and get a close-up of these lures that were panned by Joe Rizzo. He's the guy that pretty much threw an entire pack my way, was like, here, try these out. Well, I mean, obviously they work. The little guys and the specs and the reds, they all seem to like the purple and pink jerkbait. But yeah, thanks Joe for giving me a pack of lures, and I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and like. If you don't already, subscribe while you're at it, and I will see you guys next time.